Hey guys, today someone's being rude to me, so I said, they asked me white and black sunglasses for a wear one. I said, no way, that's like, I'm over trading. And then they said, you're the scamming. It's a fair trade. You scam. I'm recording. And then they said, ha ha ha. And then, yeah. And that just said AJ rocks. It says AJ rocks. Haha, recording. They're really rude. Report Buzzby, I mean. She doesn't even have a rare one, like. They're trying to trade me a blue rare one. Bye, Jamerson. Please report Buzzby, please. Bye. Peace out.